Hi friends, this video shows how to remove SIM tray. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. So here on the right side of this phone, here we can find SIM tray. So I am going to remove this SIM tray. So we need this SIM tray remover pin. This pin we have to insert into this hole. Insert here, then just push. Done. So after that, this tray we can remove. We can take this tray outside like this. See, done. Then in this tray we can insert SIM card. Next I will show you how we can put this tray back. We can put it like this. So when we put it back, please note the position of this hole. This hole has to align. Then just press. Done. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.